StreamLabs best filters. Using filters on StreamLab helps you remove background sounds and make your sound high quality. So I'll teach you how you can do it. So let's get started with it. Here on the right side of the screen, you can see the mixture option. Scroll down a bit and you can see your microphone and auxiliary. So how can you improve this option? So what you need to do is here, tap on this setting icon, and here go to filters and tap on edit filters. After that, you need to tap on this add filter option. Just tap on it, and the first option is gain. It is a very important filter. Just add it. So gain is a feature which is very important. If your microphone is very loud, you may just decrease it. Whereas if your microphone is not a bit loud, you may just increase it. In my case, it is not that loud, so I'm gonna increase it and add next filter. The next filter is Noise Suppression. Add it. And here I want you to choose between the methods speed and RN noise. Choose RN noise because it is more good quality and more CPU uses. Choose it according to your computer. So add another filter. On another filter, we're gonna add noise gate. Just tap on add, and the third filter is added. And here you can see two options, close threshold. So what close threshold do is, let's make it to 35, minus 35. It will not pick any. It will help to pick any sound that is below 35 decibels. So open threshold is the exact opposite. It will try to pick up minus 25 and just keep it on minus 25. Adjust it however you want according to decibel. So the new filter is compressor. Just add it. So here I'm gonna keep the ratio as it is, but here we have this threshold option. So what threshold does is work according to the ratio here. So let me keep it minus 25. After that, the other options, I'm gonna keep it as it is. So, and that's it. That are the four main filters, mic filters that you may use in a video. So just follow my steps and you will be able to follow it. So thank you for watching this video and I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.